Hi, I'm Sandra and welcome to this demonstration of WP Bonus Suite. This is a bonus page, the very first bonus page that I made with WP Bonus Suite. What WP Bonus Suite is, it's actually a website. As you can see at the top of here, this is my website and you make your pages on your website. So it's an actual asset that you can get ranked for on Google. In fact, it's SEO optimized and it's specifically designed to make bonus pages or sales pages for promoting new products. You can use it with your YouTube videos and you can use it on your website. If you want to buy this WP Bonus Suite, because in comparison with other products out there such as Commission Gorilla, it's a fraction of the price and it does a lot more for you, then you can click on the link below this video and that will take you through to a sales page. And there you're going to see some interesting, unique bonuses that I have to offer you if you buy this product through my link. Before we get started on the review or on the demonstration, please will you subscribe to my channel and then you can see more videos like this. Ka-ching! Thank you very much. Let's get at it. When you buy WP Bonus Suite, you get 4 templates that come along, ready-made, done for you. So the easiest thing to do is start to work with those templates. For this demonstration, I'm going to work with bonus page 2, template number 2. And I've already made a duplicate. So click on duplicate this page so we don't lose this bonus page template. And up here, the page has been duplicated and it shows it is a clone. In order to give it a name, I go into quick edit and change the name. So this is going to be Deep Link Review. Deep Link Review. And the author is going to be Sandra and I'm going to add over to here categories, reviews, and that's straightforward enough to change the title and update. This is bonus page number 2, template number 2. This is how it looks with the colors here. This is the header of my website. As you can see here, this is my actual website. So the first bar on the bonus page, the first section, is this pink section. Underneath that, there's space for text and an image here. And underneath that is the first bar where you would place your affiliate link. So let's just have a look at these sections because I've already started to work on these sections on my site. So here we are inside the Elementor editor. So we are editing in Elementor. The first bar, I changed the color. So there is a section, 2 sections within a section here. The first section, the outer section, is this section here. And to work in that section, you click on there, and at the top you've got the layout and the style. To change the color here, you would go into style, and here you can see I've chosen the color, the yellow color in the background, because I like this to be nice and bright, and this is going to be the launch dates. So in here also needs to be changed is the text. So when you click on this section, it takes you to content. So whenever you need to change text, you're working in this part here, content. And whenever you need to change color, you go and you're working in style. So we can see over here the text color, I'm still in the text box. The text color is actually white, and the text content down here, it just says text. So I work from a script when I do my bonus pages, and over here I'm going to copy in the text that I want. So remove that and copy and paste the text. So this is the launch. The launch starts Saturday 7th of April and ends Thursday 15th of April. What I like to do with my text is I just like to change the color from the start and the end. So I will highlight the end in red so it stands out. So the launch starts Saturday 7th of April, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and ends Thursday 15th of April at midnight. And so that is the text section, and this next section is your countdown timer. So the content of the timer allows you to choose which timer that you want, and it allows you to choose the time. And so this fixed timer is quite easy to work. You would just choose the end time and the end date. So the end time and the end date you would fill in here. You have the date and you have the hours and you have the minutes and you have the seconds. So all you need to do is fill in the date and the time. So the date and the time is going to be this 15th of April and the time is going to be midnight. So I can change that to PM and I can, it's actually 11:59. So 11:59 there. And that's set the timer. Now, if you want to work with the colors here, I changed these colors. As you can see from over here, the colors were red. There was a little bit of distortion here, not enough space for the word seconds, and so I had to do a bit of adjusting there. So to change the colors, we need to go into style. So I'm inside this box. We need to go into style. And here it gives us the options of the countdown items, the countdown digits, and the labels. So with the digits, you can see the colors have been changed to blue. And if you look at the labels, the colors are also blue. So that's the days, the hours, and the minutes are changed to blue. So that's that box, the first box on the page. The next section I'm going to edit is going to be this section down here, or this element. This is one main section, and inside here is one text box, two text boxes, an image, and a call to action button. So let's go back over to my website, and the first thing I'm going to do is change the image, the background image. And to do that, I click on the main section here, and in style, I'm going to choose an image. So this takes me through to my video library, to my image library, and I'm going to choose this deep link box as a background image. And there we see that in the background. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of this white, and I'm going to change it to a darker blue. So in order to change the color here, I am going to, in actual fact, the text is highlighted here. You can't see it because it is white, but I can change the color here, and I'm going to choose a dark blue color. There it is, a dark blue color. No, that's not dark enough. Let me go and choose a deeper blue. Nope, that's not dark enough. Maybe I need to go back to the white. Let's have a look at the white now. Yes, that actually happens. And let's just change the text, because the text is going to be tricky because this is white. So I'm going to delete it here. The invisible, I could have kept the review there. And I'm going to type in deep link review. Let's take the R away from here. Right, deep link review. That's looking okay. And this yellow also stands out quite well. We'll have to see how it looks in the end. So I'm going to leave this yellow here, but I am going to change the text. And I'm going to change it to this text that I've already sorted out. This text section. So I'm going to remove that and paste in that. Deep Link is the world's first app to leverage smart automation that gets any link in front of serious people, cash in hand, looking to buy this. This traffic loves to convert to sales. Okay, so there's our second text, and then that leaves us with the affiliate link bar down here. So when we click on this, you have an option to change to put an image in the background. You have options to change the text, and you have the affiliate link section. So we're still in content. So in content, claim my bonuses here. You can change that text. Click here to buy and get my bonuses. You can change the text below. You can add an image to the bar instead of color, and you can add your affiliate link. And here, just one important thing, and that is take out the hash. The first thing you do is take out the hash, and then you cut and paste your affiliate link into this space here, and that is in content. If you want to change and play with the colors of the bar, you go over to Style, and in Style it allows you to edit the colors of the bar. I like to have a nice gold bar, so I play with the yellows, and there we go, it turns it a little bit more into a gold bar. And the red, I want to tone that down a little bit to more of an orange. Let's go to the orange side. There we are, so it turns my bar into a gold bar. There we have it. It's looking very bright. Now I'm looking at the preview of the page. I quite like what I see. I think the yellow stands out all right. The white title is okay. What I'm not so keen on is these white boxes here. They look a bit stark, a bit jumpy outy, a bit loudy shouty. So I'm going to see if I can adjust those. Otherwise, this section I'm quite comfortable with. And if we just look back on what we changed, so we changed the text at the front. That was a text box. This is a separate box or an element within an element for the countdown timer. Then there was one text section, two text sections. There's no image section, so this would be another section in the middle of it, but there was a background image which we changed, and then we changed the colors on the call to action bar here into gold. There we have, and it looks like this. So just two more things I would like to show you. I'd like to show you how to duplicate the bar, and also I'd like to show you how to change these elements on the countdown timer. Back over onto the website, the web page, I'm first going to show you how to duplicate this bar. There's more than one way of duplicating it, but I'm actually going to show you a few little tips that will help you along the way when you come to editing other things. So down here at the bottom of the page is another call to action, another bar for the affiliate link. And I'm first going to take the settings of this bar over here, and we're going to look in Style, and the yellows and the red. Right, the yellow is, I'm taking down the number, the code, FFF900, and the red is FB1700. So I've just taken down those codes, and further down I'm looking at anything else. So the location is 100, the second color 100, and linear, the angle is 180. So let's make sure that I choose those when we go down to the bottom. So we're going to edit in Style, the first color, the code, FFF, capital F, FFF 900. And the second color, the code, FB, capital FB 1700. There's our gold bar. But just to get the balance right, we're going to go down and look at the angle. And the angle is on 180, yes, and the second color location is on 100. So there we have our 2 gold bars looking the same. And that's the one method of changing it, is by simply by taking the codes of the colors and going down to the next space and duplicating those codes. So now we have 2 gold bars. That one looks quite rich with the background there. And that one is the same. And then finally, what I'm going to show you how to do is to change the way this looks, because it's too bright, stark, sharp. So let's go into this section here. And at the top, you can see select style. So the choice of style is the square, which we have, the circle, the rounded, or none. I think I want to get rid of the white, so I'm going with none. Okay. That to me looks less imposing. I think it looks a little bit more stylish. It's less in your face. In your face is deep link review, which is great because that's the heading. The countdown timer is subtle. It's subtle after the launch starts Saturday, the 7th of April at 11 a.m. Eastern Time and ends Thursday, 15th of April at midnight. The countdown timer is on, so keep your eye on the clock, because when the launch ends, these special prices are liable to end with it. I like this section. I'm quite happy with this section and ready to move on to the next section. But for the point of this demonstration, that's where it's going to end. Hope you enjoyed that demonstration and you got some benefit from there. Working with Elementor is tricky in the beginning, but it is amazing what you can do with Elementor. I just can't get enough of this product. I love it. This is another example of a bonus page that I make, and my bonus pages change and evolve. I like to change it up here and there. So this is just a different way of presenting the bonus page. So if you've decided that you want to buy this product, then remember you can click on the link below this video. It takes you through to a sales page. It doesn't take you all the way. On that sales page, you'll get a good look at what the bonus I have to offer you, which is unique, and I think you need to take a look at it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please give us a ka-chink down here and come back and see us on the next demonstrations, or come check out some reviews. For now, I'll say all the best and see you again soon.